What up, what up, what up? Mike Vaya here with ImproveYourLifeToday.com, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look inside of Builderall's drag and drop pixel perfect. And that's the most common tool that Builderall has had. This tool is the normal basic one that they use to build your site, which is more optimized and responsive than other websites. I did a video recently on the Cheetah that is still in beta, and I think it's gonna kick ass. You guys, if you haven't watched the video, you can check it out right here. But this one right here is the drag and drop. I still love the drag and drop. It's very easy to use, and we're gonna take a look inside of it, give you guys an overview of how it works. So let's get to it. So if you're not familiar with Builderall, first let's make my screen a little small because I'm not that important. Let's move me over here, okay? And if you're not familiar with Builderall, pretty much it's a platform with all the tools that you'll ever need to quickly and easily grow your business. And they also have a 7-day free trial, so go ahead and sign up today. It's free, no credit card necessary, just your name and your email. I got the link down below. And yeah, if you do sign up under my link, I've been throwing this bonus in my last videos, and I'll still continue to offer it. If you sign up after your 7-day free trial, mess around with it. If you still feel like you're having a hard time creating your site, your blog, or whatever, I will help you. I'll create your first site or your first landing page, whatever you're trying to do with Builderall. I will help you create your first one, and I'll build it for you. That's only if you pass the 7-day free trial and you actually start going onto the payment plan, because I'll receive a small commission. It's very small, but I would love to help you expand your business and get this going. So let's get to it. So this is Builderall, right? After you sign up, this is how the inside looks. All these tools I chose to have them on my dashboard, my back office, and you can click here to install more, but we're jumping into the Pixel Perfect Builder today. So once you click enter, and they got tutorials, as you can see over here, they got little tutorials in case you need more help learning how to use this. But here's all the sites I have. You can look at it through a grid, or you can actually look at it through a list, whatever is best for your eyes, whatever you enjoy. And it has so many options that you can do with this. So for example, when you change your subdomain, that will give you that subdomain will be that domain if you do not add a domain. So as you can see right here, mikevaya.us, that's a domain that I actually bought and I added it to my site. A subdomain would be a domain that you do not add, so this subdomain will always be there. So it would say, for example, I don't know, builder.omb11.com/ / whatever your site is. But I always recommend to buy a domain. They are super cheap. You can go to Namecheap. I could put a link below. It's like $8 to buy a domain, and they really come through. Domains are very helpful. Search your domain. Check this out. 549, and whatever you're trying to do, build. That's just a BS domain, but it's probably gonna be available, and that's why I searched that weirdness. And look at that, $888 a year to get a domain. So it's easy, it's cheap to own a website, to own a domain. So I always recommend to buy a domain. It's super cheap. Okay, so you can add your domain once you have your domain. So these sites, I have a domain. Let's see, I have a domain in all my sites. Freak. I'll show you guys how to add a domain in a separate video, but I'll also show you where to click on. Well, right here where it says unpublish, it would say publish. You add a domain, it tells you the indicators that you need to connect your Namecheap with your Builderall, and it's super easy process. What we also have here is the category. If you want to categorize all your sites through specific categories, like I have here, personal brand, clients, client websites, dog niche, and you want to have it organized that way, you can. You just add a category. You can add a description to your site. What is so freaking awesome, guys, I'm not sure if you guys mess around with any email providers where you can actually have your whatever you're looking for. So for example, if I'm Mike, right? Well, I am Mike. But if I put Mike at mikevaya.us, you would have to pay, like Google charges, I think, like $8 per email. Support at mikevaya.com, all stuff like that, they charge, right? So Builderall, this is one like kick-ass thing that they actually have that I do not think any other builder has. ClickFunnels doesn't even have this. Is you can have your emails. So if I click here, I get to create emails for that domain. And look at this. These are all the emails that I have. And I can create more emails. So if the ad's easy one, I can create an email. I can view a list of all the emails I have. It is pretty damn cool. And to see how that email platform actually looks, you click access webmail. There you go, and you get to see your webmail and you get to log in. So for example, I have my mic at Ads Easy here, and I log in, and it's pretty responsive. And that's one cool thing that Builderall has that I have not seen anywhere else. For builders, for say, you can duplicate your landing pages and you can actually transfer them. So when I give you guys the offer that I can create it for you, I don't even have to log into your account. I can create it on my Builderall account and transfer that page to you, and you will get that page, and then you can do whatever you want with it, which is freaking pretty, amazing. You can get a link to share your page, and we can jump into edit. I'm not gonna go ahead and edit this page because I want to show you guys how to build one from scratch. So let's go to new website, and you're gonna see how that works right now. So new website, we're gonna see hundreds of templates that Builderall has that you can just choose from, or you can build from scratch. You have a construction company, boom. You have a health and beauty. You got all these templates here. Well, it's not a lot actually for health and beauty, but here's two. If you have a local business, I'm sure there's a lot for local business. So if you got a moving company, if you got a Havoc company, if you're a professional painter, if you have a barbershop, we're probably gonna jump into this barbershop one. I got a barber friend actually, and this could be pretty interesting for him. I didn't even pay attention to that before, but if you have coaching, if you have weight loss, if you have a pet shop, whatever, like, you don't even have to click one of these. You can just create it from scratch or whatnot. But the point is, there's so many templates you can choose from, and they're so easy to edit. So let's jump into that barber one because it looks pretty cool. You can have a funnel, an express page, or a normal page, even though it says express. It's what this is. If we click view, you can actually view the page, and it's a website, a little like quick, easy website. Home, about us, services, location, contact us. Try it now. It's pretty damn cool actually. I think my boy would like this page. You can customize it to his preference, but this is pretty nice. I like it. And let's take a look at the funnel. Let's see what kind of funnel they got going on here. So pretty much a funnel, if you guys aren't too familiar with, is pretty much a call to action that will lead your client to directly get you a sale or a lead. It's intended to, hook them into a call to action, straight call to action, unlike a website where you can we can look at the difference here. This is a website. You do have a promotion here. That is a call to action, but you have all these distractors on the side. You got a home, you got an about us, you got service, location, contact, try it now. So when your eyes hit this, you might not click this because you start to look around, you wander around, and you're like, oh, high quality products, cool, blah 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 blah. Oh wow, I should try this. Oh wait, can they help me? Oh, let me contact them. Boom 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 boom. Now, if you're hitting it with a straight call to action, no distractions, literally your goal is one thing, and it's to get that 50% off on your first hot towel shave. If your goal is to literally sell that offer, look, there's no home. You can put your barber logo here, but there's no contact us, about us. There's a timer that causes scarcity. This offer expires in a day, and you're like, damn, I do not want to miss out. And then it has even a coupon thing here. There's 10 coupons available. Yes, get it now. Scarcity. After someone gets it, it's gonna say 9, then it's gonna say 8. And then some things of how going to that barber works. What our clients are saying. Some testimonials. This is a pretty nice landing page. Builderall really knows what they're doing, and we can just get that funnel, click edit, and you now have that funnel in your page thing, and you can customize it the way you want to customize it. You can even start off with this funnel and just start moving things around because you like the whole setup that it has. So if we look at this, look at that, you're in control of the timer. You want the timer up here or you want to move it down here? I for say like it where it's at. It's actually pretty cool. Normally I used to have it under the button, but I mean, this funnel, it looks like they know what they're doing. What's so cool about Builderall is that it's so responsive. You can pretty much move things around anywhere on this site, and it will stick. Not a lot of websites can do that. A lot of sites, you know, have borders, and you like have to fall into their format, and you just can't do this because it's a lot of coding and stuff. And Builderall, it's all pixel perfect and there's no coding. So if you are a newbie, if you know nothing about coding, I know zero about coding, so this is for you guys right here. It makes everything so simple, so easy, and everything is just clickable and customizable. Get 50% off today. Like, you literally could just mess around with all this stuff. You move this logo, you want the logo on the left, you want the logo on the right, you want it in the middle, you can do that. You want to add more things to it, you want to add a picture right here, you click this little plus here, you go to image here, you just drag, you click actually, and you just add your picture right there. I know this is looking pretty small, but I'm just, you know, making a little example for you guys. You put a little picture right there, you just move this stuff down here. You can move it single or in the box. It's very easy to use, guys. Right here, you want to add your link. You whatever browser you're using. For me, I'm using a Mac, so Control. You add your text, the way it looks, the action that it does. The action is what's important, right? It's a call to action. You want them to get that coupon now. You want to send them to a page. The action would be to send them to the next page. And for them, they have an email opt-in because they want to get their email, which is very good. Email opt-in, you click email opt-in and you're gonna see what it has on here. Boom, email opt-in. Fill out the form below and get your new client discount, 50% off. Where can we send you this? You put your info here. Now you get their emails. And what's so cool about Builderall is they got mailing bots. You don't even have to get response or MailChimp. I love GetResponse, and I have all these things going on with my business, so I outsource all these other stuff. But if you're just getting started, if you're low on a budget, Builderall has everything for you, and there's no need to get these other platforms. I just do it because I do affiliate products, and a lot of these other platforms can't handle affiliate products, or they don't allow affiliate products. But Mailing Boss works fine. It works good. If you're low on a budget, Builderall, all-in-one tool, has everything. You click here and you configure, and it connects with I can't configure it because there's a lot of things I have to change around. Please save. I gotta save it. I don't want to save it. Pretty much when you configure, it'll give you the options to connect all these other browsers like Mailing Boss, MailChimp, and yada yada. Let's save it. I just want to show you guys. Why not? It's our demo. Let's save it. So now that it's saved, let's see. All right, now that it's saved, you can configure. Mailing Boss, Active Campaign, MailChimp, SendLane, I don't know what these are, Drip, GetResponse, Infusionsoft, and other platforms. And literally, if I click one of these, I already have email list. Active Campaign, I don't have anything, so it won't show anything. All you put is the API access, and boom, log in, and it connects them for you. And there you go. You get these emails that they opt in on your Builderall landing page and get sent to whatever autoresponder you have. But if you got Mailing Boss as well, like myself, you have all these landing pages that you have on Mailing Boss that you can just barbershop use. Boom, it's gonna send them over to a sequence of emails after they sign up, where it just hits them with, hey, here's the coupon, you forgot to sign up, you forgot to get this, you forgot blah blah blah, next week we're having a special offer. You're gonna increase your sales, you're gonna increase your client count. These things, they work magic, they work wonders for your business. And I absolutely think that, you know, funnels are a game changer. After they confirm, and funnels can help you increase your sales like dramatically, guys. So these things right here, they're freaking cool, they're awesome. And they also have little resources in here for just yourself. So if you want to see what you can use, boom, look at this. You want banners, Facebook ads, email sequences, and you can check them out. It's pretty cool, Let's preview it so then I can actually download and I can actually see what kind of email sequences they have for this barbershop. So there's an actual email sequence for this barbershop, guys. Look at this, for this coupon. So if you're a barber, you can actually use this and customize it whatever way you want. I mean, that's Builderall's on some other level, guys. Not only do they have amazing templates, they have amazing resources, even Facebook ads. Let's see. Well, this one's a pretty basic ad. It's a newsfeed ad, but I mean, they have all these resources. It's pretty cool that Builderall does this. And look at these banners. Wow, they got a lot of barbershop banners, and if they're giving it to you, then you're authorized to use them. And they're pretty high quality images. Look at this. These are high quality images which are hard to come across for free. So you can find all that in Builderall, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video with our little look inside the drag and drop builder. I hope you enjoyed the platform, and again, guys, try it out. 7 days free, no catch, no credit card necessary. Just name and email. You can mess around with it. You like it, you stick with it, you can go ahead and build your stuff. If you are having trouble building your stuff after you decide to stick with it, hit me up on Instagram, send me a DM or send me an email, and I will help you build it. And I'll know who signs up under my link because it'll let me know. So as soon as that hits, I will make myself available to help you get this going, guys. Wish you all the success. This was Mike Valle. I hope you enjoyed this little overview of the drag and drop Builderall.